Hello, I'm Ethan Wood. Today we're going to talk about phone systems. Usually when I do these videos, I've been building out this new YouTube channel. I've been starting to download all the data that I've learned over 10 years of building CRM systems. And the phone systems is the easiest no-brainer video to film. JustCall is awesome, everyone else is not. That is really the simple down to it. Let's talk about why you would need a separate phone system for your business. Most time when I get clients on the phone, I say, what are you doing for your phones? And they say, well, everyone's got their own cell phone, either a company phone or a personal cell phone. So first of all is work-life balance. When you use JustCall, you can get yourself an app. You can add in a second phone line or multiple phone lines. Maybe your sales rep has 3 different phone lines, one in each city that they work in. You can incorporate that into a one system. When the phone rings, it shows it as a JustCall phone number. It shows it that you know that it's a work-related call. So even though they're utilizing their own personal cell phone, they get a second phone line system. All of this is integratable with a CRM. So all traffic of their phone call, their inbound calls, their outbound calls, their voicemails, or text messages, everything through JustCall is now savable in the CRM system, different than their AT&T or Verizon phone. When you let a sales rep go, which sadly it happens in this world, they don't take their client list with them. A client doesn't call them back on their personal cell phone. That's a big problem in the industry when people allow sales reps to use their own personal phones. So get away from it. Own the phone number right out of the gates. So other fine parts of JustCall. JustCall has an incredible IVR system, intelligent voice routing system. So what you deal with when you dial AT&T and they say press 1 for sales, press 2 for customer support, press 3 to speak with an operator, whatever that may be, you can build out a nice system like that. Another great part is an AI transcript. So the entire call is saved on that Pipedrive or on that HighLevel, on that CRM system. Remember, that's the quarterback of the team if you've been watching my videos. It's going to send that data back through Make.com or Zapier, and it's going to report and put that at AI transcript. Finally, the last part to talk about on JustCall is the AI sales agent. You can build out a script with automated messages. It's incredibly good now. It sounds like a human, you cannot tell. So when somebody calls into your business, it answers the phone and it automatically qualifies that lead and starts to answer some of the questions. I have a few different clients already using it and they are floored about it. They love it. So let's talk about more things about JustCall integrating. You're also allowed to do a whisper mode. So you can listen to the call. You can actually hear your sales rep. You can see who's on it. They've got a great analytics dashboard. How many calls in? How long are the calls? So on an analytics side, it's just vastly better than having a sales rep use their own phones. Just like any of my other videos, if you need me to help you set up JustCall or if you want to use it and you find this video of value, I appreciate you using the promo code or discount link that's on my website, so ewcrm.com. And if you want me to set it out, please reach out directly, ethan@ewcrm.com. As I said in other videos, I'm just getting with the program now in 2025 and building out a strong YouTube channel. Going to download all these nerdy things that I've learned over the years, so please like and subscribe, and I will continue to post videos over the next few weeks and few months to the remainder of this year that you may find some real value in and help grow your business. Again, thank you for your time.